So we have quite a mess going here. But we do have the old roof and the new roof. We have all the roofs tore off. So we have one board we have to pry up, and then we have one over there on the edge, right in there. I'm going to pull that up, and then we may have to take out that one underneath the sill there, right in here. That's really rotted, so we may have to remove the insulation. And then we're going to have to put in, after we get the repairs done, we're going to have to insulate again. We have in this hole right in here, there's definitely a bunch of junk down in there. It's right above the door. So you can see we need to pull that out. And probably those other two also, probably right in there. All has to be dug out. I guess the next thing we have to do is clean this all off and then figure out how we're going to put a temporary roof on here, because this is where all the water comes from, the top roof. This is a major hit spot right here. It's not supposed to rain for a couple of days, but we're going to be gone for a couple, so I think I'm going to have to do something temporary in the morning before we leave. So I'll clean up as much as I can right now.